How to unblock friends on Snapchat. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. From there, go to settings, which looks like a gear icon. Scroll down until you find the blocked section under the privacy controls. Here you'll see a list of people you've blocked. To unblock someone, tap on the cross. Right next to it, a pop-up will appear whether you want to unblock the user. Simply tap on unblock. And that's it. That's how you can simply unblock someone on Snapchat easily.